Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bonk update today. So new month is coming up in less than actually less than 15 hours, and you almost have like 14 hours to start the new candle tomorrow. And the new week is also upon us, new month is upon us. July is starting, Monday is going to be tomorrow. And what is going to happen, of course, on a bigger picture, previously we had inverse head and shoulders. You broke above inverse head and shoulders, you came to the technical target that I marked for you, right on the money, and then you got rejected, and then you started to fall down one more time. So clearing up the chart so that we can see things in a bigger, better picture here is that I do notice that one thing about Bonk is that you do have a lot of influence right over here. Okay, we've seen so many times that Bonk has made history at this price here at 1976, right? So we've seen prices touching here again, touching there again, and coming down and touching and staying above here. So this has been some sort of an influential level right over here with this trend line at 1976. Another thing is that if I do remove that trend line and I show you one resistance that has been broken here, it looks something like this basically. And yes, Bonk at the moment is getting above this trend line, and I do believe that I'm just going to get this a little bit right over here. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to make this as better as I can. Okay, so you did have resistance, move down, resistance, move down, resistance, move down, and again you did make another resistance. People started to short the market thinking that it's going to go down, and then it broke to the upside, turning all the bearish people bullish one more time, and then it came down, took another stop loss. And yes, basically I may say that people thought that yes, the best stop loss is going to be down here, let's place the stop loss. They came down, took the stop loss. They might actually double take the stop loss and then finally try to break and move to the upside. So support and resistance wise, your downtrend has been broken. So a sideways movement or consolidation can be expected for a while, but if you look at the weekly time frame, you are making a spinning top. This is a bullish spinning top, right? Which means a reversal back to the upside. So hopefully next week we try to see the market behaving well and probably going back again one more time. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one in office.